if you're lucky enough to use a reversing camera on your driving lessons, then fantastic, and I'm sure the driving instructor is going to explain to you how it works. There are slight differences on each one, so I'm just going to show you mine, and it's going to be a little bit different from each one, but it'll give you an idea what it's like. And if you're using a reversing camera in your own car, then it gives you a good idea what it's all about then. So I'm going to turn the camera around. So there's mine there. I'll pop it in reverse, and you can see clearly there. Now, with this one here, I'm reversing into a bay. You've got two yellow lines and a red line, and then obviously my car is red, so the red bumper. So the lines are 2 foot apart, the ones that are closer. The furthest one, the first yellow line, is 3 foot away. So as I reverse backwards, it's going to start going in. Now, what's important, if I turn the wheel to the left, you can see the yellow line's changing direction. It's gone slightly to the left, so it's telling you where you're trying to go, but the blue line is where you actually are at a point. And if I turn the wheel to the right, it's changing direction all the time. So I'll straighten myself back up, and as I'm going backwards, getting closer to the bay, because it's fine, I can check my mirrors, and that's what you got to remember is still check round. I'm checking my mirrors, checking my blind spots. As I get closer to the end of the bay, as I'm driving in, reversing in, that is. So I've just passed the yellow line. Now I'm 4 foot away from the end of the bay, yellow line, and as I get closer, it's going to start bleeping at me, the sensors. As I get to the red line, it's 2 foot away nearly to where the curb is. It's bleeping. Now if I just stop it a second and show you what it looks like on the dashboard, it's warning me. As I get closer, and the important thing is slowly does it. See, the bleeping speed up. It's changed colour from green to amber. So it's important, and I'll let it roll forward a little bit. And that's where you want to be, which is about 2 foot away from the curb. So when you're reversing into a space or reversing anywhere, go really slow, and the sensors have got time then to react. If you're reversing backwards, by the time the sensors picked up how close you are, you've actually half that distance, or even worse, you got really close and you might even bump the car. So take your time going backwards, still look round like you normally do, and pay attention to where you want the car to go. So if you turn the wheel to the left, the back's going to go to the left, the front's going to go to the right, so in reverse. Okay, so it's a quick one on using the reversing camera. I hope it's helped you. If it has, fantastic, and safe driving.